Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you a very beautiful crochet runner designs and patterns. A beautiful crochet table runner is a simple way to make any table look elegant and welcoming. Whether your home style is modern, classic, rustic or farmhouse, a handmade crochet table runners adds warmth and charm. Crochet table runners come in many lovely designs. Some feature delicate lace patterns that create a light and graceful look. Others use textured stitches for a rich and cozy appearance. Floral motifs, granny squares, leaf patterns, geometric shapes, and vintage-inspired designs all are popular choices that never go out of style. Colors also plays an important role. White and cream runners bring a timeless and elegant feeling. Soft beige and gray create a calm and modern look. Bright colors like blue, yellow, green and red add energy and happiness to your dining area. You can also combine several colors to create a unique handmade masterpiece. A crochet table runner looks beautiful on dining tables, coffee tables, console tables, kitchen islands, dressers, and sideboards. Add fresh flowers, candles, woven baskets, or small decorative pieces to complete the look. Even a simple table becomes more inviting with the beauty of handmade crochet. One of the best things about crochet is its versatility. You can choose a simple pattern for everyday use or an intricate lace design for special occasions. Handmade table runners are perfect for family dinners, holiday celebrations, birthdays, weddings, and festive gatherings. These beautiful creations also make thoughtful gifts. A handmade crochet table runner is a wonderful present for a housewarming parties, weddings, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or any who loves handmade home decor. Every stitch reflects time, patience, and creativity, making each piece truly special. Crocheting a table runner is also a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Watching each row grow brings a sense of satisfaction, and the finished project becomes a lasting decoration that can be enjoyed for years. No matter your decorating style, a crochet table runner brings beauty, texture, and personality to your home. It is more than a decoration, it is a handmade work of art that creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere for every meal, every celebration, and every special moment shared around the table. So if you enjoy crochet, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my videos. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.